Dear parents, Excellence International School groom your children to make their future bright. We nurture our children to lead and succeed. We build personalities to fight all negativities and overpower all odds. We guide our children to become winners. We extract the best out of your child to help them to create their own space in the society. So have trust, have faith, and bring your children for admission today. Admission is going absolutely free from 12th Feb and seats are limited. For more information, visit our office at Excellence International School.
करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
विद्यालय एक बाग है, विद्यालय एक बाग है, बच्चे कोमल फूल, शिक्षक है माली जहां, वो है एक्सीलेंस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। आपके बच्चों को प्री नर्सरी से सप्तम वर्ग तक के बेहतरीन पढ़ाई की व्यवस्था उपलब्ध कराता है एक्सीलेंस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल।